In this video, I'm going to show you a simple 5-minute trading strategy that beginners are using to consistently make around $100 per day trading cryptocurrency. This strategy uses just 3 indicators, works on any crypto pair, and the best part, you don't need thousands of dollars to start. I'll walk you through the exact setup, the indicators I personally use, and show you live examples of how to enter and exit trades. So make sure you stick around until the end. All right, guys, step number 1, you need a trading platform. For this strategy, I'm going to show you 2 options depending on your preference. Option 1 is Weeks. This is one of my main exchanges for futures trading, and here's why I love it. No KYC required. That means you can sign up and start trading in literally under a minute without sending in any personal documents. On top of that, if you use my link in the description, you'll get access to the Mr. Crypto Welcome Bonus package, which includes deposit bonuses and high volume trading rewards that can stack up to 30,000 USDT. To sign up, just click the first link in the description. You'll be taken directly to the sign up page where you simply enter your email, create a password, and you're ready to go. No verification needed. Option 2 is Hyperliquid. This is one of the best known decentralized exchanges for perpetual futures trading. The advantage here, it's a DEX, meaning no KYC whatsoever, and if you use my referral link down below, you'll get a 4% discount on trading fees for your first 25 million in volume, which is absolutely insane. For this tutorial, I'll be using Weeks. Step number 2 is depositing funds into your account. Let me show you how to do this quickly before we jump into the strategy. Once you're logged into Weeks, click on deposits in the top right corner. Choose the coin you want to deposit. I highly recommend USDT since that's what we'll be using for futures trading. Next, select your blockchain network. I personally use TRC20 on the Tron network because it's fast and the fees are extremely low. Just make sure you select the correct network to avoid losing your funds. Copy the deposit address, then go to your external wallet and send your USDT to that address. Within a few minutes, your funds will appear in your Weeks account. If you don't have crypto yet and want to buy with fiat currency, simply click Buy Crypto at the top menu, select your local currency, enter the amount and choose USDT. Follow the steps and your funds will arrive shortly. Step number 3, transferring your funds to the futures wallet. This is important because your deposit goes into your spot wallet by default, but to trade futures, you need to move it to your futures wallet. Go to Assets, click Transfer, select USDT, and choose from Spot to Futures. Enter the amount you want to trade with and click Confirm. Now your funds are ready to use for leverage trading. Step number 4 is opening your first position. Click on Futures in the top menu, then select USTM Futures. This will take you to the main trading interface. Don't worry if it looks complicated at first. I'm going to break it down for you. In the upper left corner, select the trading pair you want to trade. For this example, I'll use BTCUSDT, but this strategy works on any pair. Next, choose your order type. For beginners, I recommend using market orders because they execute instantly at the current price. Now, select your margin mode. I always use isolated margin because it limits your risk to only that specific trade. If the trade goes wrong, you only lose what you put into that position, not your entire account balance. Set your leverage. Weeks allows up to 400 times leverage, but for beginners, I strongly recommend starting with 5 times to 10 times leverage until you're comfortable with how leverage works. Enter your position size. For example, if you want to open a $50 position with 5 times leverage, you'll only need $10 of your own capital. Before you open the trade, make sure to set your take profit and stop loss. This is absolutely critical for protecting your capital. I'll show you exactly where to place these in just a minute when we go over the strategy. Once everything is set, click open long if you think the price will go up, or open short if you think it will go down. Your position will now appear in the Positions tab at the bottom of the screen. All right, now that you know how to use the platform, let's get into the actual strategy that can help you make $100 per day. First, you need TradingView. Link is in the description. If you don't have it yet, open TradingView and select the trading pair you want to trade. For this example, I'll use BTC USDT. Next, click on the time frame selector and choose the 5-minute chart. This is a scalping strategy, so we're looking for quick moves throughout the day. Now let's add the indicators. Click on the indicators tab, type Donchian channels and select it. Click on the indicator settings, go to inputs and change the length to 96. Then go to style and change the colors of the upper and lower bands to red so they're easier to see. Here's how this indicator works. You'll see 3 lines on your chart. The middle line acts as a mean reversion point. If the price is above this line, we're in bullish momentum. If it's below, we're in bearish momentum. The upper and lower red bands act as dynamic support and resistance levels. When price reaches these levels, it often gets rejected, but they can also act as breakout points. Now here's the problem with using this indicator alone. When the market moves sideways, these bands get really close together and you'll get false breakout signals that can cause you to lose trades. That's why we need 2 more confirmation indicators. Click on indicators, type LTI or Larry Williams Large Trade Index and select it. Go to settings, click inputs and change the period to 25, then change the smoothing period to 20. This indicator helps us identify when large traders are entering the market. When it's green, it confirms bullish momentum. When it's red, it confirms bearish momentum. Click on indicators, type volume, and select the standard volume indicator. Go to settings, click inputs, and change the MA length to 30. Then go to style, enable the volume moving average, and change its color to white. This indicator shows us when there's actual momentum behind a move, not just a small fluctuation. Now we have all 3 indicators set up. Let me show you exactly how to use them. For a long position, you need 3 things. Price must touch or break above the upper red Donchian band. The LTI indicator must be green. This confirms bullish momentum. From large traders, volume bars must be above the white moving average line, and green. This shows there's real buying pressure, not just consolidation. Once all 3 conditions are met, you open your long position, set your stop loss just below the middle orange line of the Donchian channels, set your take profit at a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. So if you're risking $20, you're aiming to make $40. Let me show you an example on the chart. Right here, you can see the price touch the upper band. The LTI was green and volume was above the white line and also green. This is a perfect long entry. You would enter here, set your stop loss below the middle line, and your take profit would be hit right here for a clean winning trade. For a short position, the rules are reversed. Price must touch or break below the lower red Donchian band. The LTI indicator must be red, confirming bearish momentum. Volume bars must be above the white line, and red, showing strong selling pressure. Once all 3 conditions are met, you open your short position, set your stop loss just above the middle orange line, set your take profit at a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. Here's an example. Price hit the lower band, LTI turned red, and volume was above the line and red. Perfect short entry. You would enter here, set your stop loss above the middle line, and take profit here for another winning trade. By combining this strategy with basic support and resistance analysis, you dramatically increase your win rate. And remember, if you want to start using this strategy right now, make sure you sign up to Weeks using my link in the description to get that full bonus package. It's completely free money that you can use to start trading with more capital. All right, guys, so that's the complete strategy. If you want more details on how Weeks works, including advanced features and how to maximize your bonuses, check out the full tutorial video popping up on screen right now. And if you're interested in using Hyperliquid as a decentralized alternative, I also have a complete walkthrough video for that platform. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below letting me know which exchange you prefer, Weeks or Hyperliquid. I'll see you in the next video.